this is easiest way you can style your object and also remove your wigs so that your wig looks better and it will be looking so as you style it Hello guys, it's the first time stopping by and don't forget to subscribe to the Subscribe channel for more amazing videos like this and don't skip this video. Watch to the end so that you will see the easiest way you can do videos and the easiest way you can subscribe. Especially for the beginner, especially for the new stylist. So stay tuned and watch the end of this video. As you can see, I'm removing the rollers in the hair. Why I used the other rollers because my other rollers at the end has finished, so I have to use the other long rollers in the middle. So as you can see, finishing how the hair is looking. So I'm going to style it here now, and this hair will be so awesome. So this is where I started. I first of all used the comb to get the exact middle so that I can just bring the hairs on the middle so that I can do the center well before I can start using wax on it to style it.
I'm coming. People in the coming.
Very sharp mouth at the bottom. So after that, I'm using my wax to
I wish maybe get one guy.
you are getting everything good. The wax will help the hair to relax. The frontal
Mama, come.
well.
Diane. Come. Jabro. Oh, come get a good one.
So after that, I'm going to use my hot comb to style it.
Hey, yeah. Oh,
Using it gently. And make sure whenever you are using the hot comb is in just 26 or 150 degrees. It depends on the type of hair you want to do. You can use your butterfly for easy styling.
Mama.
Just follow the process step by step. Don't be in a hurry
Mama.
while doing this. Okay? And you will get an amazing work.
So the minute for madam, no, madam. Hi, Chineke. Sarah, baby. Mama, how are you? How are you? Happy birthday. Chizaram. Happy birthday to you. See your hair is fine. Is it paying you? I'll be this your mother. Why would she plate you the hair that is paying you? Huh? okay, okay. I'm not doing you. Hey, please, cute. Okay, na salon.
Biko ba ọkọ
Mo ba lagi.
Tito sa mga game ko sa.
Achi. Asa na salon mo. Ah. Aku macam ini mana ada semua cari. Mana ya bida belum cari. Amam cari. Amam cari. Oh, dia memang cari ada macam. Kamu habis kau nak na change. Cuma mana yang mana na anu dogu. If kau phone mu aja naka. Hi. So me. I'm not know you want share that. That's a happy birthday, my in-law. Oh, you know, go change the chapel. One of these are going to be big man. Oh, you know, so what is the change the chapel? This is a con over here. Now, I'm on this on. Hey, I'm a job of the seven of all your I don't know what to say. I'm going to die. Hey, oh, those now. Did you pay WhatsApp business WhatsApp? I work from the bank. Don't be small thing. Talk about my bank. To one money at that. Oh, go almost a year. Oh, got it up here. Yeah, aku gua beli ya, kan saya gari ona apa. Ini bila.